Guys, welcome to my channel. I came to just you guys today because it's been a long time coming and it's been a while. I know I've been off YouTube. It's my fault. I'm not even saying it's not my fault. I was just very discouraged. And hold on, please. I was just very discouraged by what I was seeing on my YouTube, and I was kind of lazy. I'll not say laziness. I don't know. The numbers just made me lazy. Kind of discouraged me. But yeah, it's my fault. Plus, I decided to focus on my TikTok this year because I realized that I've actually never focused on posting on TikTok solely. Like, all the videos I always post on my TikToks are always like Instagram videos. I'm just posting them in passing. I'm not putting my energy in my TikTok. And you guys know that whenever you put your energy, it will grow. So you guys will not believe that I said I was going to start posting. I opened a new page on TikTok because my old page I didn't want to start posting there again. I wanted to start afresh. Plus, I've been on 19K for a while now, so I just said, let me leave that page out and open a new account. And I also wanted to start earning. That's the main reason why I opened the account. It's a UK account. And I said, let me post for 90 days consistently and see where it goes. You guys will not believe that 2 weeks, or should I say 2 weeks? 3 weeks. In my mind, I was projecting maybe 1K every week. Was it week? Yeah. So at the end of the challenge, I'll be like maybe I'm probably on 12K followers. You guys will not believe that. Into 3 weeks of me posting on TikTok every day, I had 10,000 followers. As that today, this is month 2. This is like week 6. Week 6. I'm doing 90 days. I'm like 22K as of today. Today is what? Saturday, May 10th. And I was projecting 12K, you guys. Right now, that's why it's not good to doubt yourself. Believe in yourself and project higher. The only reason why I did that is because I didn't want to put so much pressure on myself, like to give myself such a big goal. And then I'll not be able to accomplish it, and then I'll not start beating myself down for not accomplishing it. Turns out that it was actually never a big goal. It was like, so now I'm giving myself an even bigger goal of 100K by the end of this year. I think that's still feasible. But let's see. I'm 22K now. Let's see how it goes. As regards to the work I've been doing, I told you guys I was on my way to rebranding, blowing up and stuff. It's so funny how I've been able to keep up with making my hair this year. Like, I've kept up with making my hair back to back. I actually change my hair every 2 to 3 weeks because mostly because of content. Because most of the time I make my hair and I stay at home. I don't go anywhere. So it's mostly because of you guys that I'm doing this. Yeah, I want to look nice and I want to feel nice when I do my content. You get. As far as the goal for international recognition, I've been getting a tiny bit here and there. And speaking of that, I got a few PR from an international brand, guys. I just even got this now. Let me show you guys. I just received it like as I was filming this video. I had to go out to collect it. It's from Lawless. This is it. Cute. Lawless. Forget the filler. This is what they gave me. Lip plumping line smoothing gloss. These are what I got. Let me open it and see. This one is the Forget the Filler lip pumping light smoothing gloss. Let's see how it looks like in the shade Rosy Outlook. I know it's very lip plump, so I know I'll love it. Wow. See, I've been getting into a lot of lip oils, lip glosses, and all of that. Look at the way it looks. I cannot try it on now because I have something on my lip. But I already like, it's a gloss actually. I'm already used to so much lip oils because these days I hardly wear glosses. I always wear lip oils because they're just much more better. I don't know. They feel lighter, they feel creamy, they just feel nice on the lips. But yeah, this is the shade. I think it gave me different shades, and this is a cherry vanilla. I think this would be my favorite shade because I like to wear a good pink-ish, natural-looking thing when I'm not wearing my makeup or before I do my makeup. I like lippies like this. This is a balm stick. Forget the filler, lip plumping, line smoothing, tinted balm stick. Woo! It has melted. Oh, but it's pink in color inside. It smells nice. I like the packaging. Let's see what this is. This is the lip mask. Overnight lip mask. Yeah, this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. So pinky. Yeah, I love it. I like to wear lip balms at night, so this will help me a lot. Yeah, and I have 2 more international PR on the way that I've not gotten. So I'll do that unboxing for you guys when I get those ones. But yeah, I think we're getting there. Even if it's a bit slow, we're actually getting there. And another thing I need to do is actually take myself away from this country. That's one thing I know that has been stopping me for a while. I've also gotten one request from an agency that manages creators, international agency that manages creators. Even though I think it didn't work out as planned yet, I think that is a step to something. Like I just feel like, yeah, it's actually a step to something. It's showing me that, yes, people are actually seeing me. People are starting to see me. People are starting to recognize me. That's basically what has been happening. A lot of things have been happening behind the scenes. I've been doing more one-on-ones because I've been getting a lot more one-on-one requests for personal classes. Yes, I do one-on-ones. If you guys want to do one-on-ones, I do. You can send me a DM, shoot me a DM. I do one-on-one classes. But yeah, that's mostly what I've been doing nowadays. And TikTok content. Whoa, TikTok is fun. I didn't know. Why didn't you guys tell me? I've been gingering to post on TikTok. Another thing, I said, let me enter TikTok Creator Fund once I hit that 10K followers. Before I did that, I did my research and I saw a lot of people were saying, TikTok, they will reduce your views. Once you enter the Creator Fund, your views tank. You will not be getting as much views anymore. I was like, okay, it was scaring me. I didn't want to do that because I was more interested in growing my page, my community, than any other thing. So I just said, okay, let me see if it will happen with me. Let me test it and see. Let me just enter the Creator Fund program for a month and see how that goes. See guys, tell me why I'm always underestimating myself. Why did I enter the Creator program and in 3 weeks or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I had one video. My views have been okay. They've been perfect. I've not seen much difference in like the engagement. Why did I wake up one morning? I did a video, I posted it. The video got 1 million views. Why did I enter my Creator Fund program and I'm seeing over £200 there, you guys? And when I entered this program, I was telling myself that, I want to leave, because a few days after I entered, I noticed that my engagement was not engaging. So I don't know if it was just me or the content I put out, or if it was TikTok. So I was like, okay, let me just keep putting out the type of content I feel like will do well on TikTok and see. Why did I put out one content? It got 1.2 million views. Next thing in my Creator Fund, I'm seeing over £200, you guys. It shocked me. Even though I know that for those amount of views, it's not that much, but I was not expecting to be earning this. Actually, I was not even expecting to be earning anything from TikTok because their RPM very low. Everything is very low. The amount they pay per views per 1,000 is very low. So I was not really expecting much from them. When I saw the amount in my Creator Fund, I was shook. That's what has been happening. I'm happy that at least I'm seeing progress in every aspect I'm putting intentionality in. And now I'm about to put that same intentionality back into my YouTube. I need to grow my YouTube, you guys. Help me, please. I need my YouTube to pop. YouTube is just the issue with my YouTube is not the filming of videos, it's the editing. That's always my issue. And that's why I always slack. But tell me why on TikTok, I post the same length of videos I post on YouTube or TikTok as well. And I don't always get tired when I'm editing TikTok videos. I don't know why when I'm editing YouTube videos, it's always very stressful to me, like I'm editing a movie. Anywho, that's basically all that has been happening. I'm coming back to YouTube, guys. Don't worry, you'll see more of me now. And also, if you want to see any parts of me or any parts of what I do or my day-to-day or whatever, just let me know in the comments the type of content you would like to see, because I have ideas for content I want to post for you guys. But let me know in the comments the type of content you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please share my video to your friends and you should subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.